Hi, welcome to AI 900. That's the Azure AI Fundamentals Prep Class Part 4. I am getting slightly quicker at these and try my best to get through this one as quick as possible. My name is Michelle Sanford. I am a Developer Engagement Lead with Microsoft, and you can connect to me on LinkedIn, and also you can find my notes for each of the exams that I have done on my GitHub profile. If you find them useful, then please do give them a little star. And yeah, I'm looking forward to teaching you something interesting today. So part 4 is about natural language processing, which is absolutely where I started out in my career. It's really the thing that piqued my interest into artificial intelligence, and I hope you find it as exciting as I do. So we're going to go through introduction to natural language processing. What is it? And what is it in Azure? And also look at the services. Text analytics, speech recognition and synthesis, translation, language understanding. Now, as I've said before, I'm not going to go into these things in great detail. You need to follow the learning path in order to get a good comprehension and understanding of these things. If you want to go deeper than just passing your fundamentals exam, then you should definitely do all of the labs and try building stuff as recommended in the learning path. However, this video today is aimed at helping you get through the exam and passing the exam. So all of my focus is around that. I'm going to share all my tips and tricks for how I did that. Okay, so I like to start out by making a little mind map. It could be better than this if I wasn't drawing it on a slide. So if I was doing it by hand, then I would probably put all sorts of little figures and little images, little icons, little characters to indicate each of these things. But what I've done here is I've split it out into the different services, and then I've put examples of each under or linked to each one. This is how I hook everything together in my mind. I think about what is the thing, what is the service, what is the technology, and then what could I use it for? What would it look like in real life? And that seems to make a lot of sense for me. So these are all the different components that we're going to go through. And these are kind of examples, or this is each of the different things that we have kind of broken down into even smaller services within each of those components. So one of the things you need to watch for in your exam is that often they will say, is this thing an example of text analytics or translator text or language understanding? And then, you'll pick the right question, the right answer to the question. But then later on, they'll say, is this an example of language detection or entity detection or sentiment analysis? And you'll be sitting there thinking, well, it's text analytics. I just did that before. But yeah, it's not, those things are not in contradiction with each other. They're just going to a more detailed level. And it definitely does that during the exam. Oops, no, hang on. So this is what text analytics looks like. You will have a piece of text, perhaps it's on a website, perhaps, someone's written a blog or something like that, and they say, I had a wonderful vacation in France. Running text analytics tool over that sentence, and it's able to pick out that the predominant language is English. It's 88% positive, or 88% certain that the sentiment is positive. Key phrases are wonderful vacation, and an entity is France. So if you watched previous videos, you'll see I talked about domains that you find that are automatically loaded into the custom vision component, for example, such that when you are looking at stuff through a camera, it would be able to call out and say, well, that's a floor, that's a table, that's a person. Those are examples of entities. So like France and United Kingdom, Australia, United States, all of those are country entities that are known to the tool already. So there's a lot of stuff that's preloaded, or you can preload, and it will recognize things without you having to do as much work as you would have had to do in the olden days, by which I mean when I started working. Okay, so this is language detection. So review one. So let's imagine all of these things are on the website, of course. So in review one, it's saying a fantastic place for lunch. The soup was delicious. Review two, my Spanish is not great. I am not going to give you an opportunity to mock my accent by attempting to read that out loud. And then review three, the croque monsieur avec frites was terrific. Bon appetit. As I say that, I realise the accent there was appalling. However, it's able to tell that the language name is English. There's an ISO code for English EN, which is 6391, and there's a score indicating the level of confidence in the language detection. So it goes like this. Oh, this is translation. So you can, like, you will have seen this if you use like Bing or Google Translate. You can put stuff into the website and it will translate it to whatever language you ask it to, which is pretty cool. The cooler thing, I think, is this. So I recently spoke at a global AI bootcamp, and it was in Mexico. So Spanish was the primary language that they were using there, and I was very much aware of the fact that I cannot speak Spanish. So what I did was I used Bing Translate to make translations on my slides so that you can see Has Your Puppy Joined the Dark Side has its translation underneath in Spanish. But I also turned on the automatic subtitles, which meant that while I was talking in English, as long as I had PowerPoint up, because it was PowerPoint that was doing that subtitling, it would automatically put subtitles in Spanish up for me. This was good, apart from I actually did most of that demo in Visual Studio Code, which is not providing any translation for me. So if you wanted to watch that on YouTube, you can, that is the link, or you can actually find it on my channel if you're already on my channel watching this. Okay, so for sentiment analysis, we had dinner at this restaurant last night, and the first thing I noticed was how courteous the staff was. We were greeted in a friendly manner and taken to our table right away. The table was clean, chairs comfortable, and the food amazing. So this is a 0.9 on the sentiment analysis thing. So it's out of 1, and 0.9 means it's very positive, and the closer it is to 0 would be very negative. Actually, I'll give you the negative one there. So our dining experience at this restaurant was one of the worst I've ever had. The service was slow, the food was awful. I'll never eat at this establishment again. So you can see how it's picking out certain words and it's making its prediction based on those words, courteous staff, friendly manner, clean table, comfortable chairs, amazing food. All of those things are what it's picking out in order to get the 0.9. Worst, slow, awful, never eat. I think those are what would be what it's picking out in order to give it such a bad or a low sentiment analysis. Here we go. So key phrase extraction. So here is a a piece of text. So we had dinner here for a birthday celebration. We had a fantastic experience, greeted by a friendly hostess, taken to the table right away. The ambience was relaxed. Food was amazing. Service was terrific. Great food, attentive service. You should try this place. And it's kind of picked all of these things out in order to form a summary of the text. So this is the kind of thing you might use Keyphrase Extraction if your lecturer had given you a PDF of his lecture or her lecture and it was, I don't know, 20, 30 pages long. You could use Keyphrase Extraction service to get the summary of all of that and then rephrase that for your essay. I would say that you'd want to be a little bit more diligent than that if you're submitting those essays in order to be graded for your course, because it's not just you that has access to these tools. Your lecturers as well have access to these tools, and they are dismissing stuff these days if they consider it has been plagiarized, I guess. And the tools are really, really good at searching for similar text and saying this is the same thing as something else someone has done. This is the same thing as something that was published on the internet. So yeah, it's very, very useful, but it's also do not use it for evil, I guess, is always my advice. Okie dokie, speech recognition and synthesis. So you can use speech to text to transcribe audible speech to text, and you can use text to speech to generate audible speech from text. So the bottom one is like, maybe Stephen Hawking or someone like him is able to, is not able to speak, but they are able to type. Then what they type on the screen then comes out as speech. Speech to text is where you have an audio recording of me giving you this lecture and you're able to transcribe that into subtitles, as the PowerPoint does, or you can, put it in something that can be, if you made a recording of someone's lecture, then you could have that transcribed for you onto the page, which is very cool, saves a lot of time as well. In fact, if I would figure that out, it would save me a lot of time for subtitling these videos. Language understanding. So this is where I say, Siri, switch the light on, and then the lights go on. Now, in fact, that's not happening in this case because I don't have Siri in my house. Or Google, so therefore there is no robot obeying me. But the understanding part is that when I say switch the light on, the lights come on as opposed to the garage door opens. So what we have here is the entity, which is the light, the utterance, which is the phrase, and the intent, which is the light turning on. Okay. Let's do some practice questions. Which of these sources can you translate from one language into another? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Choose the correct answers. So what this means is for each, you can pick two things, and for each one you're going to get points. Sometimes it will tell you that each part of the question constitutes part of the answer, in which case if you don't get both parts right, you won't get the points. So this one's a good one. It means that we have a we have a good chance of getting a good score. So which two of these sources can you translate from one language into another? Video, so this is imagery. Text, so those are words, and you can translate words from one thing into another. Image, also it's an image. Handwriting. Yes. See, that's a little bit of a trick because it's a matter of depth. And then speech. Those are words. So I am going to say that it is text translation that translates text documents from one language into another. And speech translation translates spoken audible from one language into another language. Now, converting handwriting to text is an example of OCR. So you would have to do that first. And then once you have translated the handwriting into the text, you could then translate the language on that. So that's why I say it's a bit of a trick, because you're thinking handwriting is text. We could definitely do that, but it's 2 steps away. So you're using another service first. Okay, AI solution identifies the main points of a set of blog posts. Which natural language processing workload is this an example of? Sentiment analysis is when it's reading something and it's saying, is the customer happy or sad? They love the restaurant or they hated the restaurant, kind of thing. Or the tweet is an angry troll, or the tweet is a chirpy, supportive friend. Speech recognition is where it is recognizing, Siri is recognizing that I say something and doing something with it. Keyphrase extraction is extracting the key phrases from a piece of text that you have. So identifying the main points in a set of blog posts, that's exactly that one. And named entity recognition is where it's picking out, Mexico, United Kingdom, Australia, or person, car, dog, or Brad Pitt, Angelina Jolie, named things that it has within the domains that it has been automatically trained for. That's named entity recognition. So there we go. When answering questions, I'd say always, don't just say what is the correct answer, but I would ask yourself what is each of those things so that you can rule things out. So even if you weren't sure that it was that one, by asking what each of these other things are, you could be sure that it wasn't these other things before falling on that one. What information do you need to use in a published language understanding model to find the meaning in a text statement? Choose the correct answer. Published language understanding model to find the meaning in a text statement. So I really hate this kind of question, because all of those things are just blah, blah, blah to me, unless I am building the thing in Azure. So if I was in Azure and I was looking at all of those, subscription IDs, resource IDs, app IDs, all of those things, I would know what I needed and I would know what it was asking me for at the other end. So this is exactly the kind of question that I would leave till last. I would probably tick the first one there. That one is probably right. I would tick that, but I would mark the review box on the exam so that I would know I needed to come back with that and study that with a little bit more thought to see if I could remember exactly what each of those things are and what they mean. But at this stage, I would probably be staring at that for 10 minutes, thinking and rethinking what are the things that I need there, and I would be wasting my time. So I'm just going to click review and come back to that later. Match the natural language processing workload to a scenario. To answer, drag the appropriate NLP workload to each relevant scenario. An NLP workload can be used once, more than once, or not at all. Classification of social media tweets as positive or negative. So that is going to be sentiment analysis, positive or negative sentiment analysis. Real-time transcription of podcast dialogues into text is going to be speech recognition. So it will hear the speech and it will then transcribe that into text. Speech synthesis is the opposite of that. It sees the text and then it speaks out loud, like Stephen Hawking. Speech translation is I'm speaking English and it translates it into Spanish. So conversion of text to speech for people with disabilities, speech synthesis. Yes, Stephen Hawking. There are more people than Stephen Hawking in the world that used that technology. Okay, so we covered all of these things. And I'll say, as I have always said before, this prep class is not enough for you to pass the exam. You need to have followed the learning path. And I recommend doing it more than once fast to sort of try and absorb the overview, and a second time to go into more detail and clarify in your mind the different things. What you are trying to do in your fundamentals exam is not have an in-depth knowledge of how Azure Data Services work, but instead try and be able to pattern match what services are, what they are used for, and what scenarios that use them would look like. Stay calm, read all the questions, answer every question. So you see where I have in each question in this module sort of gone through and said, what is that? What does that look like? Rather than picking off the correct answer straight away. Trust yourself, answer quickly and review later. So if you really don't know it, like I didn't know that one, then tick it, come back to it later and try and think your way through it. If you are a student in Australia and New Zealand and you have not already joined my Microsoft Student Accelerator, please do sign up. We would love to see you there. There's plenty of options and opportunities to do things within the program. Cool. Thanks for joining. See you in the next one.